Hello guys, it's Rowan and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make fried chicken. Okay, so first I'm going to show you our chicken. All of that, make sure you wash your hands. And I'm going to show you all the seasonings and what I put into them. Okay, so make sure you have a bowl. I already cut up all my chicken. I gotta make sure that y'all can see. Alright, so first I'm gonna put, for my amount of chicken, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I have 11 chicken legs and thighs, so I think I'm gonna be putting a cup and a half of flour, 1 cup, 2 cups, and then just a little bit more. Okay? Then I'm gonna add some more spices from my cabinet. So I'm gonna be using lemon pepper, chili powder, Italian seasoning, paprika, and salt. Then I'm also going to be getting, of course, some cornstarch, alright? So you do not really need to measure if you're black. I didn't want to add that, but just add cornstarch, paprika, chili powder, and of course, Kinder's lemon pepper seasoning. That's my favorite. Make sure to put a lot. Then our Italian seasoning. And then our salt. And then I like to get my hands nice and dry. Just mix that mixture all together. It may be a lot, but you gotta make sure that everything's all nice and coated. Okay? So, using my clean hand, this is what the chicken looks like after I mixed up all of the ingredients. And at the end, I'll be showing all the ingredients that I used. Okay, so I got my oil all heated up. And the way you can test that is by flicking water on it. So it might look a bit dark, but we use this oil a bunch, so I gotta turn it down. And now I'm gonna just take a piece of chicken. Be careful when you're doing this. And then you just slide it in. And you can hear the sizzles. And that's good. Make sure that you don't burn yourself. Look, I dropped a piece. Can't use that. Just set this to the side. That's 11 pieces now. Ooh, got burned a little bit. It's okay. Alright. So, what you can do, oh, that hurts. What you can do while you're waiting is clean up and put away your ingredients. But I forgot to show y'all the ingredients, so I can just do that now. So, we use Kinder's lemon pepper seasoning. You can't really see it, but this is just kosher salt. That's Smart chili powder. Great Value paprika, Chef's Quality Italian seasoning, and of course Argo cornstarch. And I do not have the specific brand of flour, but these are the seasonings I use to make your chicken really pop. Say hi to Mila. That's Mila. So this is my chicken so far. You can see a little bit, it's already kind of crisping up. Let me just, no. Alright, I'm gonna wash my hands. Ooh, this is hot. Make sure that you wash your hands, because you don't want to touch something that people use every day when you're cooking fried chicken. That'd be really bad. Alright? So now that I'm done washing my hands, let's see on our fried chicken. This one's a bit big one, so he's going to have to cook some longer. Also, remember, you can use the water test with some water. But that's all. And I'll give y'all some pictures at the end for what my fried chicken looks like. Still have some more in here. And just keep on going. And so what I like to use, okay, is I like to use tongs. Now, tongs are really great for flipping over chicken because they can just easily grab and flip. Now you want to be careful because it can pop you. Okay, so now I'm flipping over this piece. Look how crispy that is. Look how crispy that is, guys. It is almost just like KFC, guys. I promise you, this will give you the best fried chicken. I promise you guys, look how nice this looks. That's only from all the ingredients I listed. I preferably like to use used oil for my fried chicken because it comes out all crispy. Like, it looks like it's KFC, Popeye, Church's chicken. This looks absolutely delicious. I recommend you doing it. And just hear the sound. Preferably, you should cook chicken on the fire stove. I keep mine on medium high. That's all, and I'll update y'all on pictures and videos of how it turned out. Not only do I do crochet, but I think I might do cooking as well. So I'm going to change that in my name. Alright guys, bye, and that's how you cook fried chicken.